Hi writers. Today's work is you are going to go back to the media album we created on Tuesday, and you are going to look at pictures and read captions and make comments. I know a few of you have already commented, but today I'd like for you are going to comment on at least 3 different people. And I want to show you how to get back to your media album. So you're here right now in Schoology in your Wednesday folder. You'll need to click back into the writing course. And when you're back in the writing course, you should be able to see Tuesday. So click on Tuesday and then scroll down to our media album of what makes you happy. And 5th graders will tell you what makes me happy is seeing all of your pictures. I love, some of you did photographs, some of you did images, but it's just really fun to see all of you, excuse me. So what you're going to do is you are going to, I encourage you to look at every single picture and read every single caption. If you're a person who doesn't have a caption yet, remember you can, I'll just use Dayton's here. You click right here where it says edit caption, and that's where you can put in your information. So for those of you who shared about pets, we get to know your pet's name, or maybe it's a different animal or place that you've been. And so what you're going to do today to comment, once you click on a classmate's image and you've read their caption, when you scroll down, there's a spot for you to write a comment. Like I said, some of you have already done this, and I want to make sure that you do 3 different people. So I'm going to write, I hope I never encounter Okay, now, I know that it feels like we're texting, but we're not texting. This is our writing course. We're using correct capitalization, grammar, punctuation, and spelling. So the pronoun I needs to be capitalized, so I capitalized that 2 times. At the end of this sentence, I did a period, and then when I said yikes, I did an exclamation mark. So I want you to pay attention to that when you do your comments. As I've been reading some captions, there have been some captions and we're forgetting to capitalize and forgetting punctuation. So just a reminder that this is writing practice. It might not feel like it, but this is writing practice to practice capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. So after you have typed your comment and you've read, and please remember, this is a part of our learning community, and we are going to be respectful. And so it's not anything hurtful, it's not anything negative. And also be careful, you know, sometimes people say, well, I was trying to be funny. But just please remember that we don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. So after you've done your comment, go ahead and click post. It could also be a question. You could ask a question about the person's image or photograph as well. So it can be a statement or it can be a question. Once you have viewed 3 different classmates and you have posted a comment on 3 other classmates, then you are finished with today, with your work today. You should have already done no red ink. So your no red ink assignment and then posting to 3 different classmates. Remember that I am just an email away. So if you have any questions, send me an email.